Hello and welcome to Crumbs Doilies HQ. As you can see, I'm stuck in the office today, but Nikki is here to show you how to do a neat hack on making your own nut butters, and they can be used on your toast in the morning, or you can even use them in some of my recipes. So go and hang out with Nikki for a bit.
Hi, so I'm going to show you guys how to make the easiest peanut butter you've ever made in your whole entire life. One ingredient, one food processor, that's it. So I'm using salted peanuts. I've got 250 grams. All I'm going to do is put the lid on and we're going to blitz that for 2 minutes and then we'll see where we are. So after 2 minutes, it's gone quite crumbly and clumpy, which is good, you do want that. We're just going to give it a good scrape and then we'll pop the lid back on and just do that all over again. So as you can see, this is really looking like peanut butter. We're going to give it another scrape just to get all the clumpy bits at the bottom, but it's looking good. So yep, one more time. You can add other things to this if you like. If you want a bit more salt, you can add some salt, add a bit of sugar, a bit of vanilla, literally put in whatever you like, but I'm just going to pop this in a bowl. And there you have it, super easy, creamy peanut butter. Gemma's got lots of recipes using this, especially PBJ cupcakes, which we do a lot in the shop. They're really, really good. And yeah, she'll be back on Thursday with another recipe video, so we'll see you then. Bye.